Hello, my name is Zoe and I'm the School Support Coordinator with ChatterHigh. Today I'm going to show you how to create your teacher account. So, first things first, go to ChatterHigh.com. Here, click on Create Account. You have two options to create your ChatterHigh account. The first option is to sign up with Google. So you can click here and choose the account you would like to use to continue on to ChatterHigh. Your second option is to use your email address and password. Whichever way you chose to sign up, you'll then be taken to this page where you'll need to fill in the necessary information to complete your registration. So first things first, you can fill out the personal details section. We need your first name, last initial, and for user type, make sure to put in teacher staff. Then you can put in how you identify. Then you can scroll to the school details section. Here we need to know the country, province, and the name of your school. Then you can scroll to the next section, which is about question details. On ChatterHigh, you can control the type of questions you are served. So first of all, you can choose to opt out of faith-based questions. If you would like to do that, activate the toggle here. The second option is to only receive French language questions, so you can activate this toggle if you'd like to receive your questions in French. The next section is other details, so you can let us know if any of the following items apply to you. When you're ready, click on Save Details. If you get the following error text, there might be an error. For example, here, I noticed that I haven't typed my email correctly, so I can correct my mistake, put in my password again, and click on Next Step. Here, I can verify that all my details are still correct, and when I'm ready, click on Save Details. When your registration has been completed without error, you'll see this page. You should verify your account by going to your email inbox and clicking on the link we've sent you. If you can't find the email from ChatterHigh in your inbox, I encourage you to also check your spam folder or junk email. Please note that if you signed up using a Google account, you can skip this step, so you don't need to verify your account if you signed up with Google. Now, you should be ready to log on to your account for the first time. So to do that, click on Login and either sign in with Google or with your email and password. And once you're logged in, this is what your ChatterHigh dashboard should look like. If you encounter any problems during this process or have any questions, feel free to reach us by email at info@chatterhigh.com and we will be happy to help. Thank you and have a great day.